Ready? I hope I make it worth your while. Ready?
You got it, you got it.
Aim. Fire. Woo!
Again.
Come on, for the kids, for the kids.
Let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Come over here. Come over here. Whoa. Come on, Christine. You have 20 cans there. You got to hit Bogart. There you go.
What's going on here?
Watch her ass. I need to be barefoot.
All right. Woo!
You have beer in your hand.
Cigarette in my mouth. Wow.
Good girl.
Take after your father.
Are the babies kicking now? Are they kicking?
No. Badass Christine.
They've been quiet for almost all day.